Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Raiza, and today I'm going to be creating this like summery look, like red, bold eye with a pop of orange on the lid. I literally don't know how to explain looks, I'm so sorry, but yeah, I'm going to be doing this look, and I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, as you can tell already by the title. So yeah, if y'all want to learn how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and did one eye off camera because I wasn't really sure what I was going to do. So yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and show y'all on this side what I did to get this. So as you can tell by the title, obviously I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. It's so freaking beautiful. Look at this. Amazing. So pretty. I am just going to be using these three colors right here at the top. Actually, let me see what they're called. So it comes with this little paper on the top. So it's the colors You're Kidding, Rusted, and 518. I think I'm going to zoom y'all in a little bit into my eye so y'all can see what I'm doing. So to start off this look, I'm going to be using my T82 by the Makeup Shack brush and the shade You're Kidding in the James Charles palette. It's like a really bright red. Basically, I'm going to be putting this shade in my crease right here where the eye folds. It's not that pigmented, but it's good because that way you're able to build it and it's not just one color all at once. So I'm going to kind of pack that on at first like this. And then kind of like buff it out, but staying just in the crease. Okay, so see, for example, that's one layer, and I'll go back again and dip my brush in to add more color. Literally already dropped it and bent it like right there. I'm sad. Okay, so yeah, with the second time, going in for a second time, build it on. So I'll try to blend out the edges a little bit, but not a lot because we're gonna go back in with another shade and blend it out with that shade. And then going in for a third time to make that even darker. I literally don't have to do much work. These eyeshadows blend themselves out by themselves. Okay, so now to blend that red in, I'm gonna go in with Rusted, this lighter red right here, and then use that shade to blend this shade, but I'm not gonna take it all the way to my eyebrow. I'm just gonna try to keep it still low in the crease. So just right here where that color ends, I'm gonna put that. Go in with the light hand, so like I'm barely touching my eyes. And then now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using my Morphe M508. And I learned this trick from Raizaarreaga. I watch her YouTube videos a lot. But so taking the brush that I'm going to cut my crease with and using like a makeup remover wipe, and it kind of gets like the makeup solution, the makeup remover solution on here, just this after rubbing it on here, and it'll take off the excess eyeshadow that I have. I don't know how to explain that. I'm just gonna show you. Basically, I'm gonna be cutting my crease with this makeup remover solution, and it's gonna remove product right where I'm gonna cut my crease. So and I'm doing this so that way when I put my lid color on, it's even more intense and you can't see any of the red underneath of it. Okay, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but see how I took off some of that red eyeshadow? Okay, with the same brush now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And you can use any concealer. I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape. And pouring a little bit on the back of my hand, that way I don't get too much product. you see how the concealer now is so much more brighter? Because we took that red off beforehand. And now going in with my T48 by the Makeup Shack to apply my lid shade, and I'm going to be using the shade 518, this one right here, to pack that on. So that's basically it. It's really easy, three eyeshadow colors, and it's done, but it looks super bold. Looks like you fucking tried. Okay, and now going in with my Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner. I have always wanted to try this, so I went out and bought it the other day, and it's really waterproof and it does stay on all day. But it's kind of like, I don't know if it's just the one I got, but it's kind of like dry and it doesn't, like, I can't get product out. Like, I want it to be like a liquid, like a liquidy, and it's not. I don't want no smoke. Okay, I need to stop. I got that song stuck on. And then I'm gonna go in with my makeup remover wipe. Okay, and using my JH42 to highlight my brow bone using the Anastasia x Amrezy highlighter. And go back in with the T36 to blend that a little bit. I hate that I do this every time. I lose my other eyelash. I found it. Okay, so I like to put on the glue first. And then also a tip is, like, usually you would want to cut your eyelashes to fit your eye shape, but I have really big eyes, and so this size is actually good for me, so it works. But if you do have smaller eyes, then I do recommend like cutting them down so they fit. But yeah, while this is drying, I go ahead and curl my eyelashes, and I just use this CoverGirl eyelash curler, and using my L'Oreal Million Lashes. Usually by the time I'm done applying that, it's usually pretty dry and I can go ahead and put it on. Now that I've applied my eyelash, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal eyeliner to tightline. And what I mean by tightlining is, like I haven't explained in my videos, is basically there's a little place right here in between your eyes and your eyelashes that's like white, your skin color. And if you fill it in with black eyeliner, it makes it blend. It makes your lashes and your eyeliner blend better. And going back with the eyeliner that you used to covering up any glue marks. Okay, so now going in with my foundation, and I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation because I love the coverage of this foundation. Like, don't get me wrong, my Makeup Forever is really good coverage, but this is hella good coverage. So I'm going to be using these today, and like I've said before, I'm going to go ahead and mix these, that way I get my shade, because I think this one's too light and this one's too dark. And I already went ahead and used my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, my Ride or Die. Also, can we appreciate my eyebrows today? Like, I tried not to do them as dark as I usually do because I'm trying to work on that. And I think I kind of did it. Like, they're lighter than usual. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. this side to blend out the concealer into the foundation. Okay, now going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder to set that. And setting the rest of my face with my JH01. I don't care what anybody says, I like putting a lot of powder on because it makes my makeup last throughout the day. I leave the bake under my eyes a little bit longer than the rest of my face. And then for my favorite part, my foundation, I have to say foundation, my bronzer. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline City Bronzer. It quickly became one of my favorites. And I'm gonna apply my bronzer anywhere that I want like depth. So I want my cheeks to look glittery. So I'm gonna put some right here to create that illusion. And then under my jawline to get rid of my double chin, on my forehead. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and dust off the powder underneath my eyes. That's been there for too long. And then let this bake while I do my blush. Nothing's changed for blush. Going in with my J06, mixing my L'Oreal True Match and my Milani Luminoso. I think I've said it before, but the reason I mix these two is because this one gives me like a glow, like a blush glow, and then this, but it's too light, so I add this one to make it a little bit darker. My bottom lash line now. Where's my brush? Yeah, going in with my JH38 to apply this red eyeshadow right underneath my lash line. And then going in with my JH40 and this shade right here. Can't remember the name now. This palette is big, like I cannot hold it up, to blend that red eyeshadow out. The way I feel after I finish doing my makeup, the feeling is everything. Going in with my Mario Badescu spray. Use this shade right here to highlight. Let's see, hopefully this works. Okay, so that is bright, but I'm still gonna go in with my Emery highlighter a little bit and doing my inner corner with my Emery highlighter. For my lipstick, going in with my I Love Sarai Times Colourpop in the shade Arriba. I love this color. But we're just gonna go bold. I already did bold last one. This look is like so summer. I'm so ready for summer. I like to put my lipstick all the way inside. That way when I go, you can't see any of my skin. Oh, almost forgot. And for my setting spray, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter. This is my favorite. Shake it up. Oh, I didn't do my bottom lash mascara. Going with my Dior Maximizer 3D and going with my L'Oreal Million Lashes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope this video helped you. My looks are really easy, you guys. Like, it takes 2-3 steps and you have a bomb ass look. So I hope they really help, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.